Welcome to Top Trading Edge. This video is for Aapl chart analysis, and let's take a look at what actually Aapl is doing right now. So as you can see, this was the bull run right here, and we have the bear run. And I did mention we had the earning here, and I did mention. So let's take a look at the little history first. What I said, if you look at these, what I was talking here. So if we can go back to right here, when Aapl was started going 162, I said earning is coming in and we got to be a little careful. And I said, do you know the Aapl stock is more expensive at 162 than you are buying at 182? You are buying at 182 here than buying at 162 here. That's what I said. You are buying at that time at, if you know you are smart. If you don't know, please join Top Trading Edge Academy and you can learn that. So this was the one of the tweet I tweet on July 30th. Okay, so that's the one. Heads up. Then I also made a video on July 22nd, and I said, look, same pattern is setting up. If you look at it today, setting up the same pattern as the last time. Bull, 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 then bearish, bull, 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 we're gonna be bearish. So similar kind of percentage we are gonna go up around here, and we're gonna have the bearish. This is the video I posted. You can go and take a look at it. I'm not gonna play here in this video because we want to analyze now how the chart look like. So as you can see, I mentioned right here where we are now, went up and now went back to here. What I said, buying Aapl at 182 is more cheaper than buying at 130 based on the previous this quarter running. If this quarter running comes out and we miss, and this is what I'm expecting, we might miss this one, then buying at $100 Aapl is more expensive than buying at $182, and that's what I analyzed, and I said it's gonna be Aapl is heading in 2 digits. But remember, this is the darling of entire Wall Street. Every 401k, every institution, every fund holding Aapl. So it's a very, very, it's like a crown of the jewel, right? Still, I'm saying, hey, it's heading to 2 digit. And I'm giving heads up all around. It's not just I'm against it, but whatever I see, and that's what I've been telling live. So if you want to join Top Trading Edge community, guys, right here. Look at that. Top Trading Edge Academy. I teach everything all day live and it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Join Top Trading Edge. I go live every day morning 9:30 to 4. So all right, let's take a look at what exactly I gave a heads up. Right here, I tweet. Then August 19. I'm giving you the timestamp. No, August 19. When is August 19? Look at that at the top. I gave a heads up on August 18. Right here, 17, 18th. Also now 19th right here at the when we've got a rejection right here. That's my trend line which I gave you heads up. It's a, hey, we're gonna hit this, and this is our resistance. Get out of it, right? And guess what? Look at the 19, what happened, and I give a heads up to you guys too. Right here, Aapl big. What did I say? Aapl is printing just. We were buying all the puts. Just double down on bearish flow. Look at that, 40 from 20 million to 45 million, and that too, this was 130 by 4 o'clock. It was a massive. So please join Top Trading, and I say, hey, it's a bearish flow coming in, something is cooking, somebody knows something, right? And that's what I tweet about it. And look at that. After that, bang bang, look at that, all the way constant going down, right? So somebody knows, and that's what I gave a heads up, and I made a video also. Look at that. Aapl unusual option activity. Keep noticing on August 18th as well as 22nd, 19th. Keep checking all this, right? So now what exactly happening? As you can see, rolling down, rolling down, rolling down. All right. So right here now, where are we heading? What did I say? The MACD still has a room to go around 680, maybe negative 10, maybe 8, something like that approximately. But absolutely, price target is right here. I posted Aapl could go and fill up the gap right here. When that time market will tell, but this earning will come. This earning, what I told you guys, is the horrible earning coming in, and I'll show you right here. Statement quarterly. Aapl said I'm losing right here 19. Look at the revenue there in net income loss. Look at that, net income loss from 34 to 25. So almost like a 10 billion, $9 billion, 34.6, 35 to 25 is almost $10 billion loss from previous quarter to this quarter. Now we have our, currency fluctuation. We have the higher, guys. You know that we, euro. If you take a look at the Japan yen, any country's currencies right now went down 30 to 60%. Most of the countries, I would say, at least easy 35%. So Apple do have a currency in a different, they hold in their cash in different currencies, so that value goes down automatically. Plus if they are doing any profit in different countries, 65 to 67% profit Apple is making in other than in US dollar. If they want to bring that dollar back, everything calculates basically in that currency, right? Bottom line is calculated into dollars, so they lose that value. So if they are making, Apple is making 25% profit, then it calculates that, hey, Apple currency war, if they have a 25% loss, that's the loss, and that will be adjusted into their earnings. Okay, so that's why I'm expecting. Plus, as you know, the Apple came out, the demand is sluggish and the supply constraint too, so that's why I feel like we might miss this time earning, and that is just a heads up. And that's why I'm thinking market might break this one, my price target right here. This is the 129 support. We go to 123. So that's where Apple is looking like. Despite having the darling of the Wall Street, despite having the each and every, all the market maker, everybody loves to have the Apple, because that's the golden horse. That's what they use every day right here. But it's heading to fill the gap. So that's what I can feel. Still we have a room to go down. Well, but I did give you the heads up, guys, way early. I gave you a heads up here, and that's the proof of this video. So now, do you think we're gonna go? Yeah, absolutely. Look at that. The trend line is bearish right here. Resistance is intact. Trying to look at what happened exactly. Tops, one top, second tops, third tops. Tops are falling. So market tried to jump and got a rejection. We send back. So tops are falling. If the bottom rise and trend line breaks, then I could be bullish. But until then, right here, as I said, the financial fundamental doesn't allow me to be bullish at this particular point of time. Huge debt and a lot of currency war, and the Apple does a lot of international business. That's why they have a more constraint in terms of making money, and their profitability is going down. So they have multiple, plus the rising rate environment, higher tax. Everything is not looking good at this particular point, and the quantitative tightening will start. So that is starting. So that's why all this calculation look like we might break this floor and we go home. Same thing as I told you here also, we're going down. So this is what would happen to me, guys. Again, this is what my thesis. You have to do your homework. Okay, so if you like this video, please this is early heads up. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and share with your community. Those who are on Twitters, if you like my video, please, guys, it takes time to make this video, and I would appreciate if you can just like it. If you really like it and you have your positions and you think, oh, my contents are great, please, I would really appreciate if you can share with others, or even if you like it. Thank you. See you tomorrow morning 9:30.